everyone! Welcome back to our channel, the 3J's Cuties! Today we will make a blend for cough and cold. We will need 5 drops of Raven, 3 drops of lemon, and 3 drops of frankincense. We will need a roller, bottle,
Drops.
5 drops.
Oh yeah, 5 drops of Raven.
5 drops of Raven,
4, 5. 3.
3 drops of frankincense. Incense. One.
Oops. 3 only.
And 3 drops of lemon.
Count it.
One, two, 3. Cough and cold away. Thank you.